Amazing day, kids! Welcome back to another exciting science lesson in Valenzuela Live. I am Mrs. Stephanie M. Salong from Pasora Elementary School, your science teacher today. For some reminders, comment on your name, grade and section, your school, and mention the name of your teacher. This will serve as your attendance. For your active participation, you may type your answer in the comment box. Always remember to be polite and courteous when commenting on your answer or queries. Avoid unnecessary words that are not related to our topic. The objective of our lesson is to suggest some ways of preventing or minimizing the harmful effects of the changes in the materials on the environment that come from the most essential learning competencies. Please get ready with your module, notebook, and ballpen. Let's now begin by singing our science song.
It's science, science time. It's science, science time. Let's all be ready now. It's science, science time. What do we do during science time? We observe, we compare, identify, classify, infer, test, hypothesize. We read a lot, understand them well. Science facts we learn.
I hope you enjoy singing our science song. It describes necessary characteristics for us to achieve today's objective. How are you today, kids? Did you brush your teeth? Are your nails and ears already clean? Did you wash your hands before and after you eat or when you touch different objects? If yes, you are very good. It is necessary for us to maintain clean body and have a healthy lifestyle, most especially in today's pandemic. To have some recap, let's begin by having a sort of game. Are you ready? This game is what we call like me or like me not. Just comment thumbs up or like emoji if the changes in the materials contribute useful change in our environment. And thumbs down if the answer shows harmful change in our environment. Number 1. Cutting of wood to make a lumber. Like me or like me not? Comment down your answer. If your answer is like me, good job. Number 2. Burning of garbage. Like me or like me not? Type your answer in the comment box. If your answer is like me not, fantastic. Let's have number 3. Changing a wood into charcoal for cooking. Like me or like me not? Comment with your answer. If you comment with a thumbs up or like me, you are wonderful. Next, number 4. The water cycle. Like me or like me not? Type your answer in the comment box. If you comment like me, magnificent. Last number. Throwing up garbage. Like me or like me not? Comment with your answer. If you comment like me not, excellent. These are changes in the materials which are useful to the environment, and there are also changes in the materials that are harmful to the environment. But there are some ways to prevent or minimize the harmful effects of the changes in the materials on the environment. Let's have some activity. The title is Decode Me. In each letter, there is corresponding number. For example, 1 is for A, 2 is for B, 3 is for C, and so on. Use it to reveal the hidden words to find out what it is. So let's have this first word to decode. There are 3 letters. What do you think it is? If your answer is rat, you are correct. The next word has 5 letters. So what do you think is the hidden word? Comment down your answer. You have 5 seconds. If your answer is reuse, good job. How about this one? It has 6 letters. What do you think it is? Type your answer in the comment box. 5 seconds. If your answer is reduce, fantastic. The next word has 6 letters. What do you think it is? You have 5 seconds to comment down with your answer. If your answer is repair, great! The last word has 7 letters. What do you think is the hidden word? Type your answer in the comment box. You have 5 seconds. If your answer is recycle, excellent. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and rat are all included in the 5 R's of responsible waste management, which help prevent or minimize the harmful effects of the changes in the environment. Let's discuss each 5 R's of responsible waste management. The first one is reduce. Use a cloth bag, eco bag, paper bag, native basket instead of a plastic bag when you buy groceries. Avoid buying disposable items or single-use products such as batteries, razors, utensils, plates, cups, and others. Buy items in refillable containers, like you can see in the pictures. The next R is reuse. Reusing means using an object or resource material again for either the same purpose or another purpose without changing the object's structure in a significant way. Donate or sell reusable items. Use both sides of paper when printing and reuse as scratch paper, gift wrap, etc. Consider the potential lifespan of durability when buying new products. Buy durable food, storage containers, and reuse them instead of using foil, plastic bags, or wrap. The third R is recycle. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. Recycling can prevent and waste of potentially useful materials and reduce the consumption of fresh raw materials, thereby reducing energy usage, air pollution, and water pollution. Do not throw away used newspapers or used writing pads. Sell them or bring them to paper mills, which can turn them into usable paper again. Used bottles, tin cans, rubber tires can be recycled into useful materials. Next R is repair. Repair means restoration of a broken, damaged, or failed device, equipment, part, or property to an acceptable operating or usable condition or state. Have your appliances, office equipment, lighting fixtures, and automotive parts repaired instead of buying new ones. Have old furniture reupholstered or refurbished instead of buying new ones. The last R is rot. To rot is to decompose or break down into smaller parts. When old food at the back of your refrigerator rots, you should throw it away. Set up a compost pile to compost yard trimmings. Make a compost pit or bin in the yard for your biodegradable materials such as fruits, vegetables, coffee grinds, and so on. Again, kids, what are the 5 R's of responsible waste management? Alright, it is reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and rot. These are some ways of preventing or minimizing the harmful effects of the changes in the materials that go on into the environment. Let's have an activity. This is called Your Pick Seems Familiar. Identify the picture showing changes in the materials and suggest ways to prevent or minimize the harmful effects of the changes in the materials on the environment. What do you think the picture shows? Type your answer in the comment box. If you answer burning of garbage, fantastic. Instead of burning this garbage, some materials can be recycled and transformed into another useful materials. Like this one, which is very useful to the environment. What do you think this picture? If you answer burning of old tires, great job. These old tires can be transformed into flower pot to make them useful and prevent harmful effects to the environment. This is an example of old tires shaped into flower pot. How about this one? What do you think it is? Comment with your answer. If you answer improper waste disposal or throwing of garbage anywhere, you are correct. Materials like plastic bottles, paper, and cartons can be recycled. Some can be transformed into useful materials. Instead of throwing the garbage anywhere, we should know how to separate them into decaying and non-decaying materials because they can be recycled and transformed into useful materials like what you can see in this picture. Amazing, right? For your assessment, comment with a check mark if the statement suggests some ways of preventing or minimizing the harmful effects of the changes in the materials on the environment, and cross mark if not. Let's have number 1. Encourage people to do 5 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and rot. You have 5 seconds to answer. If your answer is check, good job! Let's have number 2. Burning of garbage such as plastic materials, rubber, and other waste. Type your answer in the comment box. If your answer is cross, amazing! Number 3, throwing hospital waste into the river. Comment with your answer in 5 seconds. If your answer is cross, wonderful! Let's have number 4. Reuse clothes and old t-shirts and that are too stained and torn for hand-me-downs for cleaning around the house. You have 5 seconds to answer. If your answer is check, magnificent! Last number, 5. Bring your own reusable bags to the market or grocery. Comment with your answer. You have 5 seconds. If your answer is check, excellent! Believe that you're now ready to answer your SERP learning module. Just wait for the instructions from your science teacher on what you are going to answer. That's all for today, kids. I am Miss Stephanie M. Salon your science teacher for today from Pasola Elementary School. Thank you for watching. Always remember to follow health protocols with a solution to COVID-19. Stay safe and stay healthy. God bless everyone.